So I am about to make a charcuterie board for one, or you can think of a baby Graze board. In order to save money, I went to Publix and went to the deli counter and asked for some small portions of some meats and cheeses. Doing this, of course, I did not get any soft cheeses because I did not want to buy any and waste any. But I also was able to save money getting just a handful of grapes from the produce section too. You do not have to buy the entire bag of grapes. You can literally just rip off as much as you need for your charcuterie board, and they'll wait at the register. Just tell them what type of grape it is. I had some leftover cashews, some dark chocolate, and my line sister Deborah, my friend Deborah, put me on to this peach jam or preserve. It's so good. I had some left over in the fridge that I'm going to add in this small condiment cup. And so here's my baby board, and I'm going to get started. Everything that I purchased from the deli counter rang up to $1.50 or less, and I told them that I wanted everything to be an eighth of a pound or less. So the items on the left are what I had in my kitchen, and the items on the right are what I purchased from Publix. I did get 0.4 pounds of grapes from the produce section, and even with getting an eighth of a pound of the meats and cheeses from the deli, it's still a bit much for just one person to enjoy. I did have some leftovers that I made into a snack for the next day. I plan to reduce the quantities, and I'll give more details in my next video on how I make a small charcuterie board, but here's everything before I get started.
Glasses up. Let's make a toast to success and nothing less. Yes, sir.
So in spirit of Wine Down Wednesday, I decided to pair my charcuterie board with a glass of California red wine. The brand that I'm trying is 19 Crimes, and one cool feature that I liked was the interactive label. If you download the app, there's a VR feature to where the label can actually, have some cool interactive sayings. And so Snoop Dogg is an ambassador for the brand, and he has a few sayings, and I'll show another one here in a second for you. But yeah, I really love the wine. I used an aerator that my sister bought me to, add more to the taste. It's very full, very rich, but still has that sweetness like a traditional California red wine.
They call me the Dog Father, king of the West Coast, and I was born to defy society.
I hope you all enjoyed the video. I plan to come back and show you all some more tips and tricks on how you can jazz up a charcuterie board for one.